Welcome to Crazy Actin channel. Today, we will cover how to make easy videos using Canva with our presenter and creator, Dr. Queen. Let's begin.
Test 1 2. Test 1 2. It's a quick test just to show how to create Canva video. Excuse me, a little sick, just a little bit, but let's get going. So you're in Canva, you can do a free subscription. You can use your email, and this is how you do it. So you create whatever style you want. You could type in what type of style. If you want to do a YouTube video, it'll provide you with free templates you can use, right? So let's start with this one, right? You customize this template however way you want to. It'll download and it'll just drop the template in there for you. Okay. So after you go in here, you make edits you want. You know, it could be whatever. Hold on. Make the edits. Using the template is probably the easiest way to do this. So let's go. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have different videos that are on your computer. You upload those here. There's the upload button. As you can see here, I've had uploaded all different images, different sections where images, videos, audio, click videos, right? And then over here on the right, you want to add another page because it's a continuation of the timeline. So you add another page. You stretch out the picture so it's fully on the screen like it needs to be. And then you can edit different things on the video, right? So you have your intro here. You have a video of a stock video that you've put right here. Then from there, you can make sure this is on there correctly. Yeah, it is. All right. From here, you could also add different text to where you could kind of enhance what the video is doing. So let's just click anything here, right? You put coming soon. Tectonic does the same thing. There's also this writing one. So we'll do this ascend one, right? If you purchase anything, you get the premium of Canva. You could add the speed, you know, or videos that you use. There's also Pixabay. Okay. All right, they have, let's see here. You select music, and then it'll provide you with all sorts of free music you can use. So let's, here we go. You see how, okay. To adjust the music, you could you click on it and you have these audio effects here. You could fade in. So this is what this sounds like. Okay, here we go. So you see
this is the new you show.
Look, we could adjust the volume, adjust to 70, 52. Let's go from there. Here we go.
This is the new you show, where you can make a difference however way you choose. Be you, become new. This is the new you show, where you can make a difference however way you choose.
Basics of how you can add footage, create content without using software, right? You can do it for free in Canva, which is really, really cool. We're going to change the music.
Want to watch the full video? Join our Patreon community at patreon.com/drqueensolutions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more how-to videos.